Hello, my good traders. Have you heard of copy trading? What of palm trading? And also social trading? If you've heard of this, then you need more details. But if you are new to these words, or you are new to these services, they are beneficial to you, that beginner, or it's good for you, the trader who is not making profit in the forex market. It's for you, the trader who is making losses. It's also for you, the trader who want to invest your money and make sure you get passive income. It is also for you, that trader who is good in trading, who is making a lot of profit. And it's also for you, that perfect trader who want to get active income. So it is both for those who want to make active income and also for those who want to make passive income. It is also for a beginner or someone who doesn't know anything about forex, but want to take advantage of the opportunities. Or it's for you, that trader who is making losses and frustrated and do not know what to do in terms of making profit from the forex market. So I'm going to take my time in this video to explain what is copy trading, to also explain what is palm trading, and also what is social trading. First of all, my name is Kofi. You can call me Kofi for short. Leading Forex, I am the admin. Now, when it comes to these three terms that I have mentioned, copy trading, palm trading, or social trading, they all mean the same thing. They are all the same service, just that brokers have different names, or brokers have decided to use different names for it. It's the same service. Now, the word PAM, which stands for P-A-M-M, PAM, is the same as copy trading, and it is also the same as social trading. Now, what are these services in the forex market? These services are often offered by brokers, okay? They are often offered by brokers. And as the name suggests, copy trading. What it simply means is that they have traders who have registered with them as copy masters or master copies. They are traders who are advanced, who are profitable, and will want to share their trading with other traders who are not profitable. So when it comes to copy trading or palm trading or social trading, it's for both those who do not know much about forex or do not profit from forex, and also for those who know much about forex and also profit from forex. So if you are a trader who has a good strategy, who is making daily profit from the forex market, there are brokers who wish to take advantage of your success story and make it known to others who are not successful. And then those who are not successful can hand over their accounts to you, who is successful, to trade on their behalf for a certain amount of what? Commission. This is different from account management. Palm trading or copy trading or social trading is totally different from account management. I will explain further. Social trading or palm trading or whatsoever, copy trading, they are the same, as I have said. It depends on the broker and which of the terms they feel like using. So when you visit a broker like Xness, the term they use is social trading. When you visit a broker like FX Primus, they use palm trading. And when you visit a broker like OctaFX, they use copy trading. So all these words are the same, but every broker and its choice of whether to go with copy trading or social trading or whatsoever. Like I was saying, so when you hear me talking about social trading or copy trading or palm trading, I'm talking about the same thing. So for the purpose of clarity, I want to use one word, which will mean all. So I would like to use copy trading. And when I use the word copy trading, you should know that I'm referring to the palm trading as well, and also social trading. So copy trading, what it simply means is that if you are a profitable trader, if you have a strategy that you are using to make profits in the forex market, your broker allows you or gives you an opportunity to register an account that will be termed as a palm master or a copy master account or a social master account. And that master account is actually an account for you, the trader who is successful, to trade on that account. And then your results that is made from that account, all your profits, your trades, your lot sizes, everything about how you manage your trades on that account will be shared on their platform with other traders. So that information is displayed for others to see. And then other traders, upon seeing your trade results and seeing how successful you are in trading, can also create an account which will be termed as a copier account. So yours is a master account. The trader who is not profitable, who doesn't know much about Forex, who is always making losses, will want to copy your trades. So what that trader will do is that he or she will create a copy account. So once he or she is done with a copier account or a copy account, the one will link his account to your account. There is a way the platform allows you to do that. There is a way the broker will allow you to merge your account to the master account. So when you merge your copier account to the master account, what it means is that whenever the master takes any trade on his account, that trade will automatically be taken on your account as well. And any profit the master will make on his account, you will also make the same profit on your account. But at the end of the day, there is a commission that the master will charge for allowing you to merge your account to his account. So whilst the master is going to get commission from you, he is actively trading on his account, which you have merged yours to. So he is actively trading. So he will be making active income because he is directly involved in the work. So he will be making profits on his account and will also be getting commission from you for helping your account to grow or for trading for you to make profits. All this is spelled out, and I'll be showing you a practical example very soon in this video. So that is how the master will help the follower to make profit. So there is a commission that is spelled out, maybe 10%. The palm master or the copy master will state maybe 10% as a commission that will be charged on whatever profit you make as a follower, or 20%, 30%, 40%, depending on what the masters want to charge. Some brokers will allow up to 50% commission for the master to charge. Some allow only up to 30%, 40%, and the rest. So for instance, if you are a trader or if you are a new person in the forex market, and you are not someone that is profitable yet, or you are not someone that can easily make profit from your trades, instead of putting your hard-earned money into your account and blowing it or losing it, you can keep that money in a follower account, a copy follower account, or a copier account, or a palm follower account, or a social follower account. And then you link it to a master who is so good in trading, who is making profit. So you just link the account automatically. There is a way to do that in the broker platform. So you merge it, and then you are good to go. So you, the follower, will just go to sleep. The master will be doing everything, and whatever he does on his master account will be done on your account as well. So whatever profit he's making, you are making on your account as well. So maybe after a week or after some days, you can log into your dashboard and see how much you have made, or how much your master has made you from the trading he takes. I don't know if you get this. This is how simple and very juicy palm or social trading or copy trading is. Now, there are dangers associated with this. It looks so juicy, it looks so good, but there are also dangers associated. What are the dangers? If the master that you are going to hand over your account to, or you are going to link your account to, if that master is not able to make profit, if he makes any loss, you are also going to incur the same loss on your account. If the master ends up blowing his account, your account will also be blown. So it is very important that you look through and search through well to get a good master to link your account to. So this is extremely good for those who are not successful in trading. If you are not successful in trading, why stress yourself? Just gather some money, put it into your social trading account, put it into your palm follower account, or into your copier account, and link it to any good master out there. And then he will do justice for you. He gets commission. You also make your profit. That is nice, right? And I think even if you want to learn on your own and become a successful trader, now that you are learning and you are not yet successful, you can at least maybe get some $100 or $200 or some $300 or $500, follow a master and be making profit whilst you are learning on your own. When you learn and become successful, you can decide to take the account from the master. You just deactivate the following, and then it becomes your account. And then you continue your personal trading on that same account. Or better still, you can also create a master account and other people will follow you, and then you will get commission from them. So this is how good the copy trading business has become. And I told you that it is different from account management. Account management, you may have to manually give out your MT4 or your MT5 details to the master trader. And then he will log into your account on the MT4 or MT5. And then he will be taking trades directly on your account. That is kind of stressful. And it is stressful in the way that the person you are handing over your account to, you only trust him because he has done some PR work. He has marketed himself to you that he's good. He has shown you some screenshots. And you do not even know whether those screenshots are real or fake. So handing over your account to him to do account management for you is dangerous. But when it comes to social trading or palm trading or copy trading, it is the broker that is giving out the information. And the broker is giving out the information because the information is legit. The person is actually trading on a live account. It is not any kind of gimmicks, or it is not any kind of PR work to cause or to force you to hand over your account. No. The broker is trusting the person, and because the person is also well recognized by the broker, that is why the broker is putting out his information out there. If the palm master or the copier master or the social master is not profitable, you will see it clear on the dashboard. You will see it very clear. So before you even hand over your account, you would have done a lot of research through the masters available and choose your favorite or choose the one that you feel comfortable with. So that is how social trading is different from the account management. So for the account management, you really do not know whether the person you are handing over your account details to is actually as good as he's talking about. But with the palm or copy trading, the broker that is giving out the information to you, because they know the information they are giving to you is legit. It is not any scam, because the broker is trying to help you make profits so that they can also stay in business. So they are not just going to scam you and put out a fake information out there. But if it comes to account management, someone can easily gather some kind of screenshots and videos to convince you to hand over your account. So you see how different it is. So people feel safe with copy trading than account management. So if you are a good trader, this is also another opportunity for you to get more money, because if you open a copy trading account as a master, a lot of people will see your results and they will link their accounts to you. And you don't have to be taking trades manually, individually on all the accounts. No. Once you take a trade on your account, if there are 1 million accounts that have been linked to your account, once you take a trade on your account, that same trade has been taken on all the other 1 million accounts. So simple. If there are 10 accounts that are linked, or if there are 10 copiers that are copying from your trades, once you take a single trade on your account, all the 10 other accounts will have a similar trade taken on their account. So simple. So the stress of having to log in one account and log in into the other, log out and log in, log out and log in, is neither here nor there. So you have just one account, you pick a trade on it, all the copiers automatically have the same trade on their account. So simple, right? Now, I have given you enough or brief introduction. Let me take you to the real copy trading room so that you see what I'm talking about. Now, let me also say this, that each broker will have its condition of how much you may have to be able to set up a master account and how much you may need to be able to follow someone. That one is up to the broker's discretion. So broker one may say you should have a minimum of maybe $100 or $50 or $25. Broker two will say you should have a minimum of $500. So the amount you will need to have a master account will vary from broker to broker. The same way the amount you will need to follow a master will vary from broker to broker. Is this clear? Now let's go straight to the practical room for me to demonstrate what I have been talking about to you. Now I am going to use OctaFX to demonstrate this because I have gone through a few other brokers and their charges in terms of the minimum you should have and the maximum you should have is kind of higher, and OctaFX has one of the lowest. That is why I want to use them for demonstration purpose. Okay, so all that I'm going to demonstrate to you using OctaFX, you have similar things on other brokers. Like I told you, Xnest, they have it. Xnest, to set up a social account, they call it social. To set up a social account, you need about $500 as a master to be able to set up a social master account. FX Primus, also you need about $500 to be able to set up a master account. But OctaFX, you need just $25. OctaFX, you need $25 to set up a master account. So you see, Octa is much easier, and in terms of the cost involved. The same way, if you want to be a follower with social trading on XNES, you still need $500. FX Primos, you need $500. But if you want to follow someone on Octa, the prices will range from $25 and above, depending on what the master will have in his or her account. So if the master is having $25 in his account and you want to follow him, then it means you also have to get $25. If the master is having $100 in his account and you want to follow him, then it means you also have to get $100 in your account. Do you get a scenario? So that is how Octa has set up theirs, but the others also have their terms and conditions. So let me use OctaFX for demonstration. So I have logged into my Octa account, okay? In my Octa account, you see it up here, it's verified. My account is verified. This is me, verified. And currently I have about $253 in this account. Now with Octa, they have a wallet account where you can have money stayed on your dashboard. And then you have money which is also in your MT4 or MT5 account. So you see here, the monies that are in my MT4 account is different from what is in my wallet here. So if I want to move this money in my wallet to my MT4, then I'll just go to internal transfer. Then I'll transfer the money in my wallet to my MT4. The same way, if I want to withdraw money from my MT4, I'll go to internal transfer, then I'll withdraw it from my MT4 to my wallet. So once the money comes to my wallet, I can now transfer it out of this OctaFX to any other person or into any other accounts that I want to transfer it to. Supposing I want to withdraw, the monies that I can withdraw it from my wallet here. I cannot withdraw money directly from my MT4 account to my bank account. For OctaFX, including I think Deriv also have the similar platform. Deriv, you cannot transfer money directly from your MT5 to your bank account or to your whatsoever external wallet. You can move money from your MT5 to your wallet on the dashboard. And then once the money gets on the dashboard, you can now move it out of the dashboard to an external wallet or account. The same way with Octa. So when you look at the money I have in my MT4 accounts, I have two MT4 accounts. One is a referral account, which is I'm a master IB holder. I have an IB account with them. So with the IB, I have about $4 in it. And then the real trading account. This trading account you see here is a master account. It is a master account that I have created. And out of this master account, I was able to make this profit this week. I have made $147 from just $100. I'll be demonstrating that to you, but that is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of the video is to show you other masters that are, for instance, on OctaFX that you can actually copy from. You can link your account to make profits. Now, so when you come to your dashboard like this, you will go to the menu. When you look at the menu here on the right here, you see wallet, internal transfer, promotions, IB area. If you want to be an IB holder, this is where you create the IB. Operations, operation history, trading accounts, contest, users, and then below you see copy trading. That is the second to last. You see copy trading. So if you click on the copy trading like this, it will open. Okay, I need to log in first. I need to log in. Let me log in again. I think I have opened it for. Okay, so now let's go to the main page. Let's go to the main page. So here we are on the main page. So just as I was showing you, when you come to the copy trading area here, you click on the second to last copy trading. It opens like this. So OctaFX copy trading. That is the menu you are seeing up here. OctaFX copy trading. And then they have what we call the copier area they have the master area, and then they have their terms and conditions. So in this case, it is on the masters. Currently, it is on the master rating. So these are the ratings that they have from the masters. So when you look below, you will see all the masters. You see it? These are some master traders who have master accounts that you can copy from. We have this one here, says his name is, it's a nickname. The names you see here are nicknames, okay? They are not real names. They are nicknames that you can give to your account. So they have Rich Dad. His risk score is 1. And then these people here are ANA Limited. His risk rate is 1 and the rest. His gains that he has made so far is 9%. Okay. He has made profit of 9%. And this profit of 9%, this is the total profit he has made. That is $3,273. He has made no loss. This part is a loss. He has made no loss at all. And as we speak right now, how many people are copying from him? He has 149 people who are copying from him. His commission is 39%. So it means when you link your account to him, he will be charging you 39% commission on any profit you make from him. The second person, I'll be going into detail. This is just the surface. We'll go into detail. Now, we have ANA Limited. He has also made 7% profit on his account. And the 7% profit is 3,230. He has made no loss. He has 101 people who have linked their account to his. He has a commission of 33% to take from anyone that has linked. So this 101 people, each of them is giving him 33% commission on any profit they make. The next person is Black Cobra. He has made 10% on his account. And the 10% profit he has made is also 3,124. And he has made no loss. He has 48 people copying from him. For him, he has 7 days free trial. 7 days free trial. So when you link your account to him, there's not going to be a charge for 7 days. After the 7 days, there's a 30% commission that will be taken after the 7 days trial. So when you see those with the 7 days trial, you look at the amount they charge after the 7 days. Is that okay? Now, there is something you should take note of. And what I want you to take note of is this. This person, for instance, the first person has made only 9% profit on his account. And if 9% on his account has given him 3,273, then the question is, how much is his account? I don't know if you get this. How much is his account? Because he has only made 9% of his account. And 9% of his account is 3,273. So the question is, how much is his account? Do you get the question? This is just 9% profit of his account. This one is 7% of his account. He has made profit of 7% of his account. And the 7% is also 3,000 something. So the question is, how much his account is his master account? This person has made 10% of his account, and the 10% is 3,000. So how much will be the account? Do you get it? So this is one thing you should consider. The fact that the person has made this huge profit here doesn't mean that you should link your account to him immediately, because the amount, the profit he has made here is just 9% of his total account. So if you do not even have up to 3,000, it means you do not even have up to 9% of his account. So if you link your $100 account to him, if you link your $50 account to his account, trust me, your account will blow immediately, because your money is not equal to his account. If the master trader is having $1,000 in his account, you, the copier, should also have $1,000, because he's trading on his $1,000, and the decision he's taking on his account is based on what he has in his account. So if you link anything that is not equal to his account, it means you're putting your account in danger. Does this make sense? Okay. That is not all. When you scroll through, there may be those that will have small amounts. So let's go down, or let's go next. Let's go to the next page. Let's see those who might be having smaller accounts. This one, Johan Forex, 22%, and the 22% is about 1,060 of profit. So this man has made 55%. Angel Canada made 55. And the 55% is about 953. So it means his account is about $2,000. Because if 55% is 953, it means his main account is about $2,000. So I want the one that have made maybe over 100%. And then we'll look at it. Look at this person. Good. Master Team FX has made 71% profit. And the 71% is 694. So it means his account is about $1,000. Is that okay? But I like this one. Look at the last one here. OctaFX 030. He has made 162%. And the 162% of his account is just 249. So it means that this guy's account is less than $100. It means his account is less than $100. So such a person, if your account is around that $100, you can follow him because he has only made $249, and that is about 162% of his account. Does this make sense? So this is the first thing. So you see how many people are following him. He has 152 people who are following him. So it means those who have smaller accounts, like $100, $50, and the rest can follow him. They can follow him because his master account has small money. Do you get it? But that is not all. So let me use his own as a case study and let's go detail into his master account. Is that okay? So let me click here for us to go into detail of his account. So this is it, OctaFX 030. So you see it, his account is about $91. His equity, as you see here, is about $91. It means that that is what he has as equity in his account. We will see whether there are some pending trades or there are some trades running. Okay, you see all that. Now, how much do you need to invest or to link your account to this guy? You need only a minimum of $26. You see it here. Set up a copying. So if you want to set up a copying with this man, all you need to do is to have, first of all, you need to have a minimum of $26. Once you have $26, you can set up the copying by clicking set up copying. Once you click here, then it will take you to the next step for you to do what? To process or to link your account. Okay. Now there's also something very interesting you need to take note of. And this is it. Let's go down. We want to just use this one as a case study. Look at it. This results you are seeing, the profit you are seeing here. This is interesting, huh? I'm taking my time. He has a total profit of $53.5 in 3 months. The performance is in 3 months. You see 3M here. That is 3 months. In 3 months, he has made $53.5 in 3 months. So the question is, how much has he made in 1 month? So we'll click on the 1M and see how much he has made in 1 month. So we'll click on 1M. And on 1M, it means for 1 full month, he made $15. So what it means is that if you link your account to this guy, you should be expecting at least $15 in a month. In a month, you should be expecting $15 in a month. That is for 1M, 1 month, $15. What of 2 weeks? They have 2W. The 2W here stands for 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, how much has he made? Let's click on 2 weeks and see. In 2 weeks, he made $8. You see it? In 2 weeks, he made $8. So it means that if you set up your account with this guy, at least in 2 weeks, he can give you $8 profit. And in 1 month, he can give you $15 profit. And in 3 months, you can get $53 profit. This is the record they are giving you. Okay. What is his risk? We are not yet done. Okay. Let's look at this further. Now, he has made a maximum unrealized profit of $190.33. What unrealized profit loss means is that the trade has been running in a loss, but he didn't close it. Okay, so let's assume today he took a trade. The trade ran into a loss of $3 and he didn't close. And later on, the trade moved from $3 loss and came to maybe $5 profit or $2 profit. So he will have unrealized a loss of what? $3 today. Unrealized, it means he didn't close despite the loss. So tomorrow, let's assume he takes another trade tomorrow. And the trade he takes tomorrow, the trade goes into a loss of about maybe $5. And then later on, come back into profit and then gives him profit. So the next day, he will have unrealized profit of $5. So yesterday was $3, today is $5. So his total unrealized profit will become $8. So it will keep on accumulating. It will keep on accumulating. Any trade he takes, when it goes into a loss, whatever unrealized loss that comes, it will keep on accumulating. And that will give him this total unrealized loss here. Does this make sense? So that is the total unrealized loss you are seeing over here. It means it is not just a single trade that went into this loss. It is an accumulation of all the trades he has taken that is giving you this unrealized loss. Okay. Now, the next thing you should take note of is this. Very important. The maximum drawdown duration. When the trade started going into a loss, how long did he wait until the trade came back into profit? The maximum number of days he waited was 15 days. A single trade. The maximum drawdown duration is 15 days, but we'll go into detail on this one too. His account leverage is 1:500 and all that. So currently he has no floating profits. It means he has no trade running. And there's a graph below to tell you more about how his performance has been. So his account started on August 2023. And from August 2023, the account has been going up, up in profits, going up in profit, going up in profit up to now. Do you get it? But let us not be deceived by this graph, because there are other details we need to find out. And those details are below here. Closed orders. This is where it is very, very important. The closed orders. Let's go straight down to the first time. We need the first day he took a trade. Let's go down there. The first day he took a trade. When you go to show more, it will take you down. Show more. I just need the very first day he started this account. When you continue going down, let's go down. It makes a lot of sense. I'm taking my time to show you everything so that when you are searching for a master to link your account to, you do due diligence. Is that okay? Let's go down the more. I think when we are still in 20 what? Wow. Let's be fast a bit and see. I want us to see something very important. So let's go to the day he started the account. And then we'll see something for ourselves. You see something for ourselves. Okay. Quickly, are we not there yet? Wow, the account has been a bit long. From August last year, that is why it is taking us backwards that much. But I really want to get to the bottom of it. It will really make sense. Just have a little patience with me, my people. It's something we want to do, so we need to do it right. It doesn't matter how long it's good. So this is the day he started the account. This is the last one. So the day he started the account was this. on the 30th of what? July 2023. This was the day he started the account. And he made a deposit of what? How much? $50. So on that day, he deposited $50 into his master account. Around the time, around 1:21 p.m. So on that day onwards, he started taking trades. So all the trades he took, he's been using a lot size of 0.01. 0.01. He's been a disciplined guy. 0.01 throughout. If you go to the lot size area, you will always see that all the trade has been 0.01. The currencies he's been trading, you see them here. And the time he entered each of the trade, you see the time. Now, how long did he stay on each trade? You see the number of hours or minutes or days he stayed on each trade over here. And then how much did each trade make? You see that also here. How much did each trade give him in terms of profit or loss? So I think I have explained the steps. So now let's go up from here. So if you look at this guy, his first trade lasted for 3 hours, 22 minutes, 5 seconds. And then it gave him $0.51. The next one lasted the same time, 3 hours, 22 minutes, 1 second. It gave him 51. The next one lasted for 5 minutes, 36 seconds, gave him 50. And it's been 50, 50, 50, 50. So it means his target on his account has been 0.50 on each trade. Any trade that he would take, that is his target that he's looking for. So look at it here. He's been looking for a minimum amount of 0.50. If you look here, he stayed in this trade for 12 hours, 29 minutes, 42 seconds in order to get this. Did you see that? Good. Let's go up a bit. In this trade here, he stayed 1 day, 4 hours, 35 minutes, 21 seconds in order to get this amount here. Did you see that? That trade was on Euro USD, the same lot size, 0.01. He stayed in that trade for 1 day, 4 hours, 35 minutes, 21 seconds before he got his 0.50. So if you continue going up, you will see how long he stays in the trade. You see this one, 4 hours, 19 minutes, and the rest, 11 hours. Just, he kept his target at 0.50. Look at it. When you go upwards now, you see it. This one like this, he stayed in it for 13 hours. This one to 13 hours. When you continue going, you see. This one, he stayed in it for 1 day, 6 hours, 40 minutes, 19 seconds. This one to the same, 1 day, 34 minutes, 13 seconds. When you continue going up, you see the number of days he stayed in a single trade. Some 15 hours, some 14 hours to get 0.50. When you continue, you see some are less, some 14 minutes, 5 seconds, some 13 minutes, just to give him that target. And you see it. So I'm looking at if I can get this one like this, BTC. He took a trade on BTC. He stayed in it 2 days, 6 hours, 43 seconds, 2 days, 6 hours, 43 minutes, 55 seconds to get the 0.50 or $0.50 that he's looking for. So when you go through, you see, look at this. This is where he has stayed in the trade for a very long time. Look at here. Here he stayed in the one trade for 7 days, 23 hours, 3 minutes, 57 seconds. This one to 7 days, 23 hours. This one 8 days, 1 hour. This one to 8 days, 8 days. 8 days on a single trade, 8 days on a single trade, 8 days, 8 days, 8 days, 8 days. So 8 days means more than 1 week. He has been in a single trade looking for $0.50 for more than 1 week. You get it? So this will help you to understand the trader, the master trader. You see all this one, 8 days. looking at here, all these trades are more than 8 days. Stayed in them for 8 days. So when you continue going, you see this one 23 hours, this one 7 hours. There are some 13 minutes. This one, for instance, 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes, he got it. This one 10 minutes. So you see it. So when you go to this one, like he stayed in it for 6 days, 1 hour. That's AUD USD. 6 days before he was able to get the half of a dollar he was looking for. So if you look at it, his lot size has been same. His profit target has been same in that order. So you see it. So this is how this guy has been trading. This one like this, 3 days maximum, 3 days. This one is 15 days. So this is where the 15, 16 days matter came up. So here, look at these trades. Euro USD, he stayed in this trade for 15 days, 18 hours. Wow. A single trade for 15 days, that is half of a month. Just looking for half of a dollar. Looking for half of a dollar. Look at it. All these trades, 16 days, 16 days, 16 days, 15, 15, 15. Look at the number of days. He stayed in a single trade just for half of a dollar. Okay, so this is how patient this trader is. But the question is, will you like to stay for 16 days to get half of a dollar? That is a question to answer. If you are okay with that, why not? So when you go through the records, it will help you to understand. So I'm just using this guy's own as a case study for you to be able to go through. Let's go back to the top. So that is how come when you look at in a month, he is able to give you $15 in a month. Yes, this is how come in a month he can be able to give you $15. And then in 2 weeks, he can give you what? In 2 weeks, he can give you, let's change it to 2 weeks and see. In 2 weeks, he can give you $8. Now you understand. And that is also how come the maximum drawdown duration, the number of days, the maximum he stayed is 15 days. But I think it's 16, not even 15. But they made it 15 days. But we saw 16 days at the history portion, right? In a single trade, he could stay up to 15 days in order to get that half of a dollar that he's looking for. So this is how you will thoroughly go through a master's account to be able to see if he is someone that you should follow or someone that you should not follow. Is that okay? Now, if I take you back to where we were, and then I take, for instance, let's go back to the first one that is at the top. Okay. Let me take you back to the first one that is at the top. The point one. The first guy here, which is the rich dad guy. When you click on him, let's click on him and see what we'll get. It's loading. This is the rich guy, this thing. He is also saying that you can trade with him for a minimum of $25. If you have $25, you can trade with him. Okay, that is how to set up the amount you need to set up. But I've given you a gist, looking at how much he has made in profit. Now look at this. This is weird. Look at this here. This guy's equity is now just $54. So you might be thinking that, oh, so he used $54 to make that profit of 3,000 plus over here within 3 months. Do you think that is what happened? Because his equity, his balance now is 54, meaning he has made a profit of 3,252. Did he make this profit using the $54 in 3 months, or there is something weird that you don't know? So let's look at what is behind his winning here. Let's be sure of it. So let's go to the real part of it. Because look at it here. Look at his total drawdown. Unrealized loss alone is about $10,000. His unrealized loss, $10,000. So how could his total loss accumulate to $10,000 with just $54 in his account? So it's weird. Is that not it? This is weird. So you want to find out. Now, his maximum drawdown days, number of days he could hold on for a trade is 14 days. He could hold on to a trade for 14 days. So since this account is not, so this master's details are not kind of tallying, they are not giving you accuracy, you may want to go to his trade history and find out something more. Look at it. There is something that is also not tallying if you want to know more. In 3 months, he has made a profit of 3,252. In a month, he made 2,387. In 2 weeks, he could only make $8. Is that not weird? In 2 weeks, he could make $8. In a month, $2,000 plus. In 3 months, $3,000 plus. This is not accurate. If you look at it, it sounds weird. In 2 weeks, you can make $8. How did it come in a month you were able to make 2,000 plus? And in 3 months, you made 3,000 plus. It means that there is something somewhere we need to find out. So let's go down there to the account history. Let's show more to the beginning of his account. Let's go and show more to the beginning of his account. This video is becoming long, but it's for your own good so that you don't make a mistake. So I'm taking my time to explain. Okay, let's go down. I want the beginning of his account. Quickly, we'll get there. I think his days are not many. Let's see. I see. Okay. There is something weird that I'm seeing already, but I don't want to conclude fast. I want us to go down to the bottom of when he started the account, because what I'm seeing here is weird. Okay, quickly, are we not there? Please hurry up and take us to the beginning of this account. From this master's account, we want to learn something. Okay, I think we are almost there. Okay, what I'm seeing, we are almost there. Show more. Good, we are here. Okay, there's still more to go. Show more. We are almost there. I think I saw something that I said was looking weird, but show more. Oh, come on. Are we not there? I thought we had gotten there. Okay, we are almost there. No problem. Sorry for. Come on, show more, please. What's wrong? Is it my network? Oh, no. That is not the beginning of it. The beginning of his account, there's still show more here. Is it my account, my network or something? Because it should be able to show. Okay, no problem. Let's go up here. I saw something up here that I wanted us to look at. Let's see if I'll see it. Okay, here. Yes. This is something weird that I think we should look at. Look at this here. It pains me that we've not been able to get to the beginning of his account, but look at something here. He made a withdrawal of, look at it, $2,500, and also made a withdrawal of $3,000, and also made a withdrawal of $6,000 something. So when you add these monies, looking at the profits he was making $1. Look at it. He was making a profit of $1 on all the trades that he's been taking. On all the trades he's been taking, he's been making $1,111, $1,111 on that account. That should tell you, I wish, oh my goodness, it's not trying to go back down. Like you see what I'm trying to show you. So you realize that his deposit was a very huge deposit, because looking at the withdrawal that he has made over here shows that he was actually trading on a very big account. Upon making $2,500 plus $3,000, that is about $5,500. And then he made another withdrawal of $6,000. That is how much? Look at it. After that, he made another deposit of $4,000. Look at it. Deposit is here. These ones are withdrawals. He made a deposit of what? $4,000. That was on the 3rd of January 2024. And then again on the 4th of January 2024, he made another deposit of what, $2,000. So 4,000 plus 2,000, that is $6,000. We don't even know how much was left after he withdrew these monies. If you look, we don't know how much was left, but he topped up again with 4,000 and 2,000. That is 6,000. So even if we take it that he was having $6,000 here, trading on $6,000, look, he's been making $1 profit. Look at it. Let's assume the current deposit is what he's having in the account, 2,000 and 4,000 here, and he's making $1 as profit. He stays in the trade for 1 day and some hours. So all along $1 on a $6,000 account, he's been making $11, $11, $11. This is it, $1111 throughout on the $6,000 account. And we are just assuming because we didn't know how much he started with. I'm not able to get to the bottom, so we'll just take it that way. I think it's my network. So please, let's just take it that way. So you see it. Now, $11 throughout. If you look, $11 throughout. I'm scrolling up. I'm trying to scroll up. You see? And then from upon all this $11, look at how much withdrawal he made. On the 5th of what? January 2024. He made a withdrawal of what? $3,000. And made another withdrawal of $2,000. This is $6,000. And again, he made another withdrawal of $1,400. So if you look at this withdrawal, this and this alone is $5,000. This is $6,400. So that should tell you how much he still have in his account upon making all these withdrawals. And then he kept on, he didn't deposit. He kept on trading. If you look, and he's been making $11 again, $11. And then again, he made $50 withdrawal here. And upon the $50 withdrawal, which was the last withdrawal he made, he is now having only $54 in his account. So that should tell you that this profit this guy was making is weird. The huge profit he made over here will be as a result of the beginning. This $3,000 profit he made in 3 months will be from the beginning of his account, where maybe he had a huge amount of money and it gave him this profit. That is how come the recent results, his recent result, which is 2 weeks, is just $8. It's just $8. So it means that the beginning of the account, he was taking very huge trades. And those huge trades probably gave him the huge profit he made, which accumulated and gave him the 3,000 plus in 3 months. Because in a month time, this is it. And then just in 2 weeks, this is what he could make. So if you are going to judge this trader, you have to judge him based on his 2 weeks results. That would be a best way to judge him. With $54, every 2 weeks, he can give you $8. That would be the best judgment to give him. His recent results should be the best judgment. Because the past results, which has accumulated to give you that huge profit, depends on the account balance from the initial stage. Do you get this? Great. So that is how you can search through to get a good copy, master and copy from. Like I told you, I'm also a master. I just created that master account some few days ago. Let me search. Here is where you can search if in case you have any master in your head, you know of any name of a master, you can just type the nickname here and then that master will pop up. Now, my master account is Kofi Dollar. Okay, so let's type Kofi Dollar here. If you type Kofi Dollar, yes, my own comes up here. This is it, Kofi Dollar from Ghana. So all the masters, whichever country they come from, you see the country flag. Okay, so Kofi Dollar, this is me here. Look at it. This is my master account. I have a commission of 20% to take. I have no copier. I have all-time loss. I have made $6 to almost $7 loss. And I have made a profit of $141. and that is a percentage of $123. How many days did I make this profit? Okay, let's look at it. How many days? I have made a profit of $121, sorry, 123%, which is $141. Let's go into detail. So if you want the details, you have to click on the Kofi dollar, and then it will pop up and give you my details. So this is my details. Now I am given a risk score of 6. The risk score of 6 is because I have just started. So the more I trade, the more the risk score will be reducing. Any master trader that begins, he is put at a risk score of 6. It means that we do not have much information about you, so they will put a risk score of 6 as very risky because they do not have much information about you. Until they have enough information, until you have traded for like more than 1 month, then they can now decide what risk score they should give you. But if you're a beginner, your risk score will always be 6. So as you move on, then it will be reducing because they do not know you that much. Fine. Now, the minimum amount you need to copy my trades is $362. That is so high, right? Yeah, but that is based on the calculation from them, the broker. So you need $362 to start copying from me. Now, when we go into details, this is it. In 3 months, I have made 141. Let's go to 1 month, the same amount. Let's go to 2 weeks, the same amount. It means I started not long ago. You see it? Fine. If you go into details, my maximum unrealized loss is 113. And you already understand. They accumulate all the unrealized losses to get you this. My maximum number of days I will stay in a trade is just 1 day. 1 day is here. Okay. Now, the graph looks very good. Started and is going. But let's not depend on the graph. Let's go to the trade history, which is loading. Wow. It's my network, I think. My network is bad. That is why my trade history, you know, the last one I just did, the trade history was loading and loading and loading. It couldn't go. Now you see that my own is also loading. You would have seen when I started the account, how much I started the account with. I started the account with $100. Yes. And I started it this week. Today is 20th. So this week began on 15th. So I started that account on the 15th of January. And today is 20th. So within 1 week, this is the profit I have made. I wish it will load so that you see it for yourself. But as you can see, it's just kind of loading. It's not showing. Let me try and refresh and see. Maybe it will come. Let me refresh and see. Wow, it's my network. It's still the same thing. It's loading. You would have seen it. So, but on the graph, you will see when I began the account. If you look on the graph, here is the beginning of the graph. So the account, this is 16th January. So it means I started on the 15th, just as I'm telling you. I started on the 15th. This is 16th, 17th January, 18th, 19th. So the Friday, that was 19th. And today, as I speak to you, is 20th. So the graph even tells you when I started the account. So in just 1 week, with $100 in 1 week, I have been able to make a total profit of $141 from $100. And still, my account is still left with $100. My equity is 88.58. I'm in a trade. There is a trade in which I am. Okay, so you see my real balance here. My balance is what? $100 here. And then there's a floating trade, which is -12. So I'm in a trade. So that is how come the equity has got to 88, but the account balance is still 100. So anything I make on the 100, I withdraw it to the dashboard wallet. That is what I do. Any profit I make, I withdraw it to the dashboard wallet. So if, for instance, you want to copy from me, my balance is so huge. So maybe you may not be able to copy from me. Maybe you don't have $364 or $362 to copy from me. So you can go through the other masters, and I'm sure you get a master who has something small, like the $25, like the $50 and the rest. And then you can begin to copy from them. But I'm sure maybe in a month time or so, my minimum investment will reduce. I'm sure, because they do the rating based on how you are trading. So I'm sure this thing will reduce. Once it reduces and comes down, whoever wants to follow me can follow me. But for now, if you can follow me, then unless you have this amount of money or you have more than this, before you can follow me over here on OctaFX. So it is only on OctaFX that I have a copying account or a master account to copy from. On the other brokers, I haven't set up anything like that yet. I'm just trying to go with this for a while. And after some time, because it looks like they have smaller amounts that you can actually follow as compared to the other brokers. Other brokers, some have 1,000, some have 500, some have 2,000 and the rest. But Octa has a minimum. So that is why I decided to set up this type of account over here. So think through it and then go through all the masters that are here, go through their risk, check other details. That this thing is still loading. Okay, so we'll end here and then we'll see the way forward. So this is how you can go through either a copy trader or a palm trader or a master trader or social trader. You check and do your due diligence before you can set up your account or give out your account to him. So like I showed you, once you create an account with them, for instance, this one, if you create an account with them, for instance, if you want to create an account with OctaFX, once you create an account with them, then you can set up your copier account. You set up a copier account, then you go to the masters and select whichever master you want. Then you come to set up copying. So when you come to set up copying, it will automatically link your account to his account or the master's account. Okay, so you see it, like I was saying, how many days have I been with them? 6 days, as you can see. With us, 6 days. So I've been with them for just 6 days. So it hasn't been that long, just 6 days. Today being Saturday, there's no trading going on, but that is the number of days, just 6 days here. So every detail you need to know. So the profit I have made is in my wallet here. You can see it. I have withdrawn the money to my wallet here. And still my account balance is still 100 down here, which is in my MT4 account. In my MT4 account, it's still $100 and the profit has been withdrawn to my wallet. So I've just been with them for 6 days. And with the 6 days, this is the profit I have made. This is the profit, $141. So you can set up your account. And if you want to register with OctaFX, I am an IB holder with them. So I can give you their link. If you want to register through my referral link, you can contact me and I'll give you the referral link and then you can register with them. Okay, or you go to the description of this video, you will see the referral link. When you go to the description of this video, you see the referral link. Then you can follow and also register an account with them. And maybe choose from one of these guys and then they can help your account to grow. Okay, they can help your account to grow. So try any master and see if it works. That's perfect. If it doesn't, that's it. At least you have tried. So this is another way you can make profit from the forex market without you yourself trading in the forex market. You could be doing your own thing. You just set up your account with a master and go about your daily activity. All you do is maybe in the weekends, you go open your account and see how much you have made. Then you can withdraw. You withdraw your money and that is it. So that is how good copy trading can be. If you want to be an active person too, then you register as a master, you actively trade, you get people following you, and then you can get commission from them whilst you are also making your own profit. So these are the two sides of the coin. So decide where you want to be. But if you also want to do your own thing and learn on your own and trade on your own, it is also your own option. So there are so many options, but this is just one of them that I'm showing to you here. Thank you for watching this video. It's been a very long video, but thank you for staying around and watching to this time. I'm grateful.